have to show y'all this. Y'all have all been asking, how do we keep the Japanese beetles away? Y'all, this is one thing, the Dynatrap.
I love Carmen, but this is actually terrible advice for dealing with Japanese beetles. So let me tell you why. When she opens up her bug zapper, the bottom is actually full of moths, important pollinators, and important bird food, and some kind of beetle which looks honestly like June bugs, but could be Asiatic garden beetles. I took a screenshot and looked really carefully. I do not see a single Japanese beetle in her collection, and there's a reason for that. Japanese beetles are not active at night, and bug zappers work on night flying insects. Japanese beetles also are not attracted to light, so the chances of that actually collecting Japanese beetles are just about zero. So, what should you do about Japanese beetles? Well, here's the thing. Get a container, fill it with warm soapy water, and go off and pick the Japanese beetles off of your flowers. I know it's a pain, but it's the best way to deal with them. Plunge them in the soapy water, they won't be able to escape. Study after study after study has shown that bug zappers do much more harm than good. So please don't spend your hard-earned money on a bug zapper that'll be ineffective against Japanese beetle. Happy gardening.